Brazil. You're so much more than just carnival parties and soccer. You're a land of epic adventure and jaw-dropping views. Rich culture and out-of-this-world landscapes. Powerful waterfalls, and of course, the happiest people making ridiculously delicious food. Hi guys, Phil here from Virtual Vacation. Brazil is a huge country with so many diverse things to see and do. So I've made it easy for you by taking the best videos from all around the country and putting them in one playlist. These clips you're watching, they're samples of what you'll find inside the playlist. If you like what you see, subscribe to watch the full videos. And while you're at it, check out playlists I've made for every other country in the world. So go ahead, take a virtual vacation to Brazil. Cheers.